Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chef Paul Rhodes, and today we're doing something, just a simple appetizer. One of my favorite things. We've got cream cheese stuffed jalapenos, and we're gonna wrap those with bacon. We're gonna put them on the grill and cook them up until they're nice and crispy. So what we've got here, I've got the bacon, I've got the jalapenos. They're hollowed out, as you can see right there, whole peppers. Shredded cheese, so I've got cheddar and jack mix here, cream cheese, cilantro, garlic, and some diced up jalapenos. And of course we have some Carolina Cooker Cajun seasoning we're gonna put in there as well. So why don't we go ahead and get into making these things up. Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, so there you go. That is the bacon wrapped jalapeno cream cheese poppers. These things are going to be absolutely amazing. We're going to serve them up with some ranch dressing, and but before I do that, I'm going to let them cool down just a little bit because you're probably going to bite into liquid hot magma. Alright y'all, I'm going to brave it. So these things are all crispy. You've got all the cheese right there. Oh, there we go. Yeah, looks good. So we're going to go ahead and dip it in here. Let's see what we got. That is awesome. All right guys, you know how to make it. Go give it a try. Let me know what you think. Put that stuff in the comments, but you can check us out on all the socials, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. And like I said, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. We'll talk to you guys next time.